Welcome back. And the third part of our fog tour. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Amit Desai reporting from Surat Navsari Highway. Still the visibility of visibility on this road is approximately 20 meter or 20-25 meter. Everybody is suffering. Everybody is facing the fog issue. All the drivers who drive a bike or a car or a truck or any other vehicle, they are facing the same thing as what we are facing. But above all, this is a wonderful day, wonderful morning, and you can see this. Now the visibility is hardly 10 meter. Thanks to the government who make this road two-way, off and on, coming and going, back and return. Even the cycle man is also enjoying. A beautiful fog. This is the wonderful transaction between the mankind, man-made atmosphere and the God-made atmosphere. Here, God is winning the game. No man can challenge the God. You can imagine, you can face how God created such a beautiful, wonderful, and enjoyable fog tour. I call it a fog tour. Of course, I have some work in Vapi and Daman, business work. We started about 7 o'clock in the morning from our house. But we are facing this type of fog problem. As my friends, ladies and gentlemen, you are watching my shoot, and you must feel that or you must realize or you must think that we must go to visit this type of tour. Sorry for my inconvenience English, because I'm searching some extraordinary words for this tour, and I'm trying to explain you. We are little close to Navsari city, and now the visibility is about 50 meters or 25 meters. I can see one bike is on the way, and see this. This way the accident is happened. That is why any driver should drive carefully, particularly in this situation. As we are on a highway, and the roads are covered by lots of trees both the side on a highway. That's why we are facing a heavy fog. Only you can see some vehicle just about 25 to 50 meters far. I try to shoot. To get some extraordinary scenes in my camera. Yes, let me introduce my mobile. This is S30 Samsung company, and the camera is about 20 megapixel. I enjoy 20 megapixel camera and shoot. I am not a brand ambassador of this company. My all the colleagues, they are enjoying the wonderful tour. Now we have a little bit vision about say 80 to 100 meter almost. As we are very close to the Navsari city, hardly we are 4 kilometers from city itself. This is my third part of this film. This is Amit Desai reporting. I hope you are enjoying this tour. I hope you are enjoying the fog. Let's come and join. Just start your tour today or tomorrow in the morning, early hours, say about 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock or 7 o'clock. You will definitely enjoy your fog tour. We'll get back soon. Thank you very much. Bye.